Hey, if you wonder if you can change language on your HUAWEI Watch Fit SE, you can do this by only using the hard reset. So when you perform the reset of your device, get back the default settings, and after this you will be able to perform the first setup. On the first screen you will be able to change a different language. But when you don't want to reset your device, there's no way to do this. Take a look. When you open this Huawei Health application, there's like no information about the language. When I go, for example, to the device settings, the only thing I can find here, that's the music playback control, the Bluetooth disconnection reminder, and rise to wake. And the same when I open this watch. Let's catch focus, there we go. And when I open this watch settings, from here I can find, for example, the system and the updates, and there's only the update option, disconnect, restart, power off, or reset. When I go for about, there's the device name, model, MAC address, operating system, and the serial number, but you actually cannot change language without performing the hard reset. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.